Hi, my name is Jeron, and the goal of this video is to get you from just a regular 2-arm push-up to a 1-arm push-up. I know when I first started, I tried to do a 1-arm push-up, and I ended up just flat on my face, and I couldn't push myself back up. So at the end of this video, you should have all the tools you need to be able to do the 1-arm push-up. Let's get started. So a fundamental of the 1-arm push-up is going to be the 2-arm push-up. So you need to make sure that you have proper form right here. Make sure your core is tight, butt's tight. I'm gonna have my shoulders I'm gonna have my hands about shoulder length apart. I'm gonna go right here, nice and controlled. Elbows coming out at about a 45-degree angle, okay? Right here. You can touch chest lightly if you want, or just kind of hover. Just go straight back up, and that's 1. So if you can do, I would say 10 good push-ups, I believe you have the strength necessary to do the 1-arm push-up. So before you attempt to do the 1-arm push-up, it's very important that your shoulders are warmed up. So here's my favorite warm-up before I attempt to do the 1-arm push-up, okay? I just go kind of small circles forward, make it bigger, switch directions, small circles backwards, make it a little bit bigger, and that's it. After that, everything's nice and warm, limber, and you can actually apply full force, okay, without worrying so much about injuring yourself. We're gonna kind of move into the progressions that I used to work my way up to the 1-arm push-up. So the first thing I did, well, the most important thing to do is get a solid base. So what we're gonna do is right here, just spread your legs. Okay, so your legs, yep, spread them like that, like Magic Mike. So now that we're in our Magic Mike stance, legs spread, okay, you're gonna put this arm out here, and we're just gonna do a normal push-up, okay? Both arms, but try to put a little bit more weight. I'm gonna do my left arm just as an example. So right here, I'm still using this arm just like a normal push-up. You're gonna find that there's more stress on this arm, which is what we want, because we're working our way up just to 1 arm, right? So right here, just go down, let's do a normal push-up. Once you get that down, I want you to move this arm out a little bit more, and you're gonna put a little bit more weight on this arm. So right here, so over time, you're gonna be putting less and less weight on this hand. So right here, maybe just like 3 fingers. So I'm right here. Now this move's probably still gonna be very hard. Don't get discouraged. There's a couple more progressions that I wanna show you before we just start busting out 1-arm push-ups. All right, so for this next progression, bars work a lot better, but all I have is this rock here, so I'm gonna use that. What we're gonna do is an incline 1-arm push-up. So incline's gonna be a little bit easier than flat ground. It's still gonna be tough, all right? But we're building up. So from here, you can do the same technique we did on the ground, so just kind of lightly with the other hand. Assist. Right? I'm not putting a whole lot of weight on this hand. Then once you get that down pretty well, we're going to attempt to do it just with the 1 arm. So put this arm behind you, make sure your butt core is tight. We're just getting the form down. Once you've mastered your incline 1-arm push-ups, you're going to be right here. We're going to go back to the ground. Get on your knees this time. So I'm going to do left arm. I'm just going to go down. Push yourself back up. Down. Push yourself back up. What that's doing is taking a lot of weight and stress off your shoulders, but it's going to be about as hard as the rock was. Please don't get discouraged. I know it's tough, but honestly, off the knees is not too much harder. So when I was learning at this point, what I did was I did what's called a negative. So the hardest point of the movement is pushing up, right? When you're doing your 1-arm push-up. So we're gonna do the other side of the equation. So on your way down, so you're starting out, good base, take away this arm, and just fall. Go back up, and we'll do another negative, okay? Once you can hold yourself, slow control, once you can do that, I believe you have the strength necessary to finally do the 1-arm push-up. So now we're gonna move on to the actual 1-arm push-up. Okay, once you got the negative down, like you can go down 1, 2, 3 controlled, we're gonna move on to the final step, okay? And that's just doing the 1 arm push-up. You ready? All right, let's go. So right here, it's very important. Spread the legs again. Okay, Magic Mike, start out like 2 arm position. Move this arm, I'm just putting it behind my back. Right here. We're just gonna go down, okay? Just like the negative, and push up. And then whatever your dominant arm is probably gonna be the easiest side. So for me, it's my right side. Arm, core's tight, butt's tight. Got this arm behind me, okay? And push up. And there it is. Say you've been practicing for a while now and you got the 1 arm push-up just down pat. There's a couple variations that can actually add some intensity to this exercise. I know the 1 arm push-up is already super intense, but you can actually make it harder, believe it or not. So there's 2 main ones I want to go over real quick. Okay, this first variation I want to show you is going to put a lot of stress on the tricep. This is great if you don't have weights at home or you just want to do muscle building using just calisthenics, which is possible. You just got to find ways to overload your muscles. So this is a great way to put more tension on your triceps specifically, okay? It's going to be a little bit harder than just a normal 1 arm push-up. So basically, you're just going to get in your regular 1 arm push-up stance, and I'm going to bring this arm, my elbow, closer to my body. Just tuck into your ribs right here. When I go down here, and then push up, you're going to be using a lot of tricep here, okay? So it's a lot of tension. It's a little bit tougher. So right here, if you're left-handed, right here, same thing. Tuck your elbow in. Okay, the second variation is actually going to put more stress on your chest, believe it or not. So basically you're going to get into just a normal push-up stance. So right here, normal push-up stance. My shoulders are also going to be as square as possible. It's going to be really tough. You're putting a lot of strain on these pectoralis muscles. Okay, so right here. See if I can do it. I've done a lot of push-ups. Put that arm back. So not the cleanest form. I'm sorry about that. But that's really gonna put that strain on there. If you're trying to build muscle with calisthenics, it's a great way to do a variation on the 1 arm push-up. The one thing I forgot to mention earlier is the amount of reps you do, the amount of push-ups you can do, 1 arm push-ups, whatever, I'm gonna say doesn't matter nearly as much as the way you do them. So quality is way more important than quantity, and you're not getting the maximum benefit possible, okay? I'd rather do 1 good push-up than 50 bad push-ups. I hope this video helped you achieve the 1 arm push-up. If you found any kind of value and you think someone else might benefit from it, you know, just let me know and I'll make more of this style kind of videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.